What you got there, Charlotte? You got something? What do you have? Alright guys, so I just got this in the mail. I ordered it probably about a week ago. Super excited to try this out. What is it? It's a smart power switch, power strip, I guess I should say. It's a Miros, or can you guys see that? Miros or Miros? I don't know. Anyways, I've been using this brand of Wi-Fi switches throughout my house to control lights, pumps, lights and pumps, I guess. Yeah, lights and pumps, and haven't had any issues with them. And what that allows me to do is like the 75, even this tank, and I think that's the only tanks out here. It allows me to turn dumb lights, so lights that don't have a Bluetooth app, into smart lights. And I add them to a group through the app. The app's really easy. I have a lighting group, and basically at 10 p.m., any light that's in that lighting group automatically turns off, and they turn on in the morning, and you can set it. I'm a pro person when it comes to Wi-Fi switches because it makes everything easier. And I also run water pumps, so when I do my water changes, I have a video about Wi-Fi water changes. I can activate the pump on and off through my phone. Well, anyways, I saw this product, same company, but it's got 3 power ports built into it, plus USB. You can see there's 4 USB ports, and I believe the USB ports are only controlled as a group. But if you have 4 items plugged into those USB ports, you can turn them on and off. And here's what I want to use this for. Let me show you. Now here's the fry rack, and I got these shop lights that are the lighting for it. And there's a power strip all the way down there. And there's actually one of the Wi-Fi switches, and that actually runs the pump in the sump. And the reason why I have that is I can Wi-Fi turn off the pump, feed the tank, or all the tanks, so that way the food's not going through the overflow. Basically doing a feeding mode. Well, anyways, I want to get all these lights on switches, and I actually ran out of those Wi-Fi switches. I went to go order some more, and that's when I saw the power strip. So I want to give it a shot, and I'm going to put the shop lights onto the power strip, so that way I can put them on the schedule. All right, I thought I'd show you guys this real quick before it gets tucked down into that lower shelf, but it's very clean looking. I like it. Now here's something I do not like about this. There's no mounting holes. So if you wanted to mount this like on a wall or on your rack, there's no actual holes on the back where you could put some screws in and then hang this. I could always like zip tie this to a rack system, but it would have been kind of cool if it had mounting holes on the back. But I just thought I'd mention that. All right, we are up and running. These are the 2 lights. That is the water pump, and that is the USB nano pump that's running on this tank. Alright guys, that's it. I just want to show you that using some more technology, keep things automated and easy. And you know, if you guys are looking into doing Wi-Fi stuff yourself, I mean, these are cheap shop lights that are now smart, so give it a try sometime. I'll see you guys.